guys, Mike here from the Bull Capital, and today we're gonna talk about levels again, but we're gonna talk about untested levels and invalid levels. So what is an invalid level? A level that is not valid anymore. It's you cannot rely on that level anymore. Okay. I have seen so many times levels that are not valid and people are still using them. So when a level is getting invalid, you should just remove it. Okay. And let's see what an invalid level looks like. Okay. So for example, we had here a level. We are on BTC right now. We had here a level. So here we actually have a level on a lower time frame, somewhere there. Let's actually check. Let's see. Yeah, we have. It's a little bit higher, I think. Yeah, let's just leave it like that. Okay. So this level right now, you should just remove it. Why? Because a level gets invalid when we change the color. So here it broke down, here it broke up, here it broke down, here it broke up, here it broke down, here it broke up, and it broke down again. So this level now, it's invalid. You should not use it anymore. You cannot rely on this level to trade on it. Okay. A level gets invalid when it's getting broken many times up and down, like there is no level there to hold the price. Okay. So when you see something like this, it's happened, you should just delete it, remove it. Okay. And most of the levels from the back, a lot of levels are invalid now. Okay. As the price move, these levels are getting tested over and over again until they are getting broken many times. That makes a level invalid. So actually we are looking for untested levels. So for example, let me show you. Let's go on replay. Replay, yeah. And I'm going to show you how these levels are being created in the future. So for example, here we have untested level somewhere here. I won't go lower in time frames to match it perfectly. Let's hit play. I think I should go on for hour to make it faster, or yeah, let's go on for hour. So there you go, it got hit perfectly. Okay, so this is an untested level. there is like 99% that it will have a bounce. And this level now, we can still use it. Okay, so we're gonna use this level until you see that it's getting broke up and down a few times, then it becomes invalid. Okay, you cannot rely on it. Now we have, I think we have another one here on a lower time frame. I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, never mind. Okay, let's go back in time. So, how the levels are being created? I'm going to draw now some levels. Let's see. So this one here, yeah, I need to remove this. Okay, so this one, a level has been created there. Okay, and another one has been created here somewhere. Okay, where we got these bounces. Okay, now another one has been created here, so which it's gonna act in the future as support, and also another one has been created here somewhere, which, yeah, acted as support in the future. So now you have this this one is actually tested many times. Okay, so we cannot rely on that one. Okay, so we have some untested levels here, but as the price moving, it starts creating new levels. Okay, so it starts creating new levels. This one has already been tested. We have somewhere here an untested one, and this one already has been tested once. Okay, so as the price moves, new levels are being created. Maybe the price won't hit them now, but in the future, let's say in 6 months, maybe, if the price it's gonna come back to these levels, you're gonna know that 99% it's gonna bounce from these levels. Okay, so as the price moving, it's creating new levels that are untested. So you don't really need to go far behind and trade on the old levels, because there are so many old levels that are invalid right now. Okay, so then you're gonna see, guys, like why the BTC went down here, why it went up here, because we had a daily or a weekly, a monthly level. It doesn't matter if it's a monthly level. Okay, because maybe it's a level from it's an old level that has been tested many times, and of course it's not gonna hold. Okay, so you cannot rely on it. Just remove everything that has been tested many times and leave only what it's not tested and the new levels. Okay, so for example, this one here, let's actually check. I'm not sure. Okay, we have a level here. So it broke up. Actually, it broke up here. It broke down here. So come on, it broke up here. It broke down here. Here we have another break, and also this week's. Here, 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 here. Yeah, this levels has been broken many times. This is not a valid one, okay, anymore. You should not use it, okay? So this is just an example, okay? So we should not use old levels that are not valid, okay? Check the chart very well before you're gonna use some levels to trade on. Otherwise, pretty much you're gonna lose the trade, okay? So check the current structure, maybe the last 2-3 months, because in those months new levels has been created which are much stronger than the old ones, okay? Because most of the if we're gonna take all the old levels, most of them are invalid right now. Maybe we still have some valid ones somewhere, but I'm pretty sure that are only a few, and most of them are not valid anymore. So this was the lesson for today. So invalid levels and untested levels. Clear your chart and draw only the levels that matters. That was all. Thank you very much, and we're gonna see in the next lesson.